Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add your text to your project video in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here. In the first menu you'll be greeted by is this one where you can go ahead and get started with creating your composition. So here are the composition settings. You want to go ahead and create your composition, select your quality, fill out all the info that you need, and after that click OK and get started. And now this is going to enable us to go ahead and either create a new project or add a new project, open up one that we already have one, and so on. But let's see how to go ahead and add text to our project. It's very easy and you only need one click. So after you have opened up your video right here, we can get started with adding the text, and all we need to do is just click this text button right here at the top of the screen. In the menu with all the options is going to be a horizontal type tool. This is an option that we can add, so click on this and now select where you want to add the text. Let's say right here, let's type out tutorial. As you can see, this is going to go ahead and add text to our video, and right here at the right side of the screen we can go ahead and manage that text. We can select the font, we can select how big it is, the opacity, and so on, anything we might want, such as the color. And under effects and presets you can also find effects for your text right here so that you can go ahead and manage it even more. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.